Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ahrefs for backlink tracking, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the official Ahrefs website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the requirements provided. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Check for any promotional offers, if available. Review the terms and conditions. Once you've agreed, tick the box to accept them. Click the Start Free Trial or Create Account button to proceed. You may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Ahrefs. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, you'll be redirected back to the Ahrefs platform. Complete any additional setup steps as prompted. You may be asked to enter payment information if starting a paid plan. Select your preferred subscription plan if required. Proceed to finalize your registration by clicking the respective button. Congratulations! You are now registered with Ahrefs. Wait for the dashboard to load and familiarize yourself with the interface. You can now start tracking your backlinks using the tools available. Explore the features to get the most out of your Ahrefs account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.